Hey, my name's TJ Rumler, and I'm the founder of TJ Rumler Consulting. I'm also a licensed clinical social worker and therapist. And in my background, I've had the ultimate privilege of working with individuals across a wide spectrum of life experiences. I've helped people who were HIV positive and experiencing chronic homelessness. I've worked in an inpatient setting where we serve students who are experiencing severe emotional difficulty. And they taught me a lot about life, I'll have to tell you. I worked at a VA setting where I got to serve fellow combat veterans, from 9/11 vets like myself all the way to World War II veterans, and I just thank God for their service as well. I worked at a large school system in the South, one of the largest in the country, actually, where I was the trauma-informed specialist, and I was responsible for putting together trainings where we did those for about 100 different schools and locations. And I've also served our Hispanic community, where I led a youth leadership accelerator program for high school students and helped them become the leaders that we know that they can be. And one of the things I really love about this work is that it all comes back to ensuring that individuals can feel safe, can feel supported, and can feel whole. Now, I truly believe, and I'll even take a step further, I know that we can't do this work alone. It's hard work, and I believe that we is greater than me.